When you're cruising through the cosmos, you won't believe your eyes. There's always something new to see. When you're gliding through the galaxy, there's always a surprise. So why don't you fly with me? Astro fun, it's a very special place. Astro fun, can't you see we're living on an asteroid in outer space? Astro fun, everywhere a friendly face. Astro fun, can't you see we're living on an asteroid in outer space? Astro fun.
Seasons come and go on Astro Farm, and my favourite one of all is spring, when it's always warm and sunny. We have to be very careful in the springtime though, because there's a lot of pollen in the air, and pollen causes big moos to sneeze. So before that happens, we have to tie everything down on Astro Farm to stop it from being blown away. Luckily, the sneeze season only lasts a few days, but we still have to stay inside till it passes, because when a big moo sneezes, it's best to be as far away as possible.
I think that was the last one.
I hope so. Dinko hates being cooped up inside, don't you, Dink? It should be safe now. You can take Dinko for a walk if you like, Tom. Why don't you see if Daisy's all right? OK, Mum. Here, you can give her this to cheer her up. Come on, Dink, let's go.
I'll start untying the ropes.
And I'll go and see how the clucks are getting on. All right, girls, it's safe to come out now. You don't like being cooped up either, do you? Have you got any eggs for me? Have you been hiding them again? Oh, however did they get up there? Sam? I've just been at the cluck coop. Something funny's going on.
Well, look at this.
What do you make of that?
I don't know, but whatever it is, it's the Astro computer.
What do you think that is? It's a comet, and it's heading this way.
You better call Tom. I'll have a look in the book of everything.
Tom, are you listening? Tom? Come in, Tom. I'm here, Mum. What's the matter? I'm not sure yet. Have you noticed anything strange happening out there? No, nothing. Everything seems to be... Hello, Tom? Hello? Is something up? You could say that. It's Daisy's dinner. It's floating. Stay there. We're coming over. OK.
We'd better get over to Tom fast.
There goes lunch. What is going on?
Come on, I'll bring the book.
What's happening, Mum? I'm not sure. Are you all right, Daisy?
It's the comet.
What comet?
The one that's heading this way. We saw it on the Astro computer.
It won't hit us, will it?
No, Tom, it won't hit us. But as it gets closer, it'll affect our gravity. That's why some things are starting to float.
What about the crops?
They might all float away too, unless we can come up with something.
Come on then, let's collect as much of everything as we can.
What we do about the comet, I don't know.
Come here, eggs. be able to keep this up much longer. Before long, everything's going to be floating off.
If only there was some way of turning that comet away.
It could be worse, Dad. At least the moose sneeze season's over. Imagine what would happen if Daisy sneezed while all the fruit was floating around.
It'd be blown to the faraway moons.
Maybe that's it.
Uh-oh, it's another of Dad's schemes.
I think I might have found the answer.
Well, what is it?
It says here, the sneezes of a herd of big moose have been known to alter the course of planets.
So, a single moo sneeze might shift a comet.
That's right, Tom. If we can make Daisy sneeze in the right direction, she might blow the comet off course.
But the sneeze season's over.
Well, it looks like we'll have to make Daisy have one last sneeze.
It's getting closer. How are you doing?
Nearly finished, Dad. Just one last peg.
Righto. She's facing in the right direction.
That should do it. Are you okay, Daisy? Do you really think this will work?
Well, I hope so. Have you got the feather?
I've got it.
Right. Everyone grab hold of something and hold on tight. Once more. It's no good. It's not working. And we haven't got much time. If we don't shift this comet soon, everything on Astro Farm will float away.
Sam, I brought something along just in case. Pepper dust. You know, when we came back from the pepper dust planet, and Dinko got in the bags of pepper.
There was dust everywhere.
And Dinko didn't stop sneezing for a whole week. So I just thought the same thing would happen to Daisy. Yes.
It's worth a try. But how are you going to get her to sniff the pepper dust?
I think I know just the thing. Daisy!
There's enough pepper sprinkled on those flowers to make a whole herd of moose sneeze.
And Daisy can't resist smelling flowers.
Hold on.
Look! She's done it!
Well done, Daisy! It did eventually stop raining fruit and vegetables on Astro Farm. Not that Daisy minded. She got the biggest reward of all for blowing the comet away. As much fruit as she could eat. Astro Farm survived the big sneeze season for another year, and we had time for lots more adventures before springtime came round again.